Welcome to our channel Gadgets, Gizmos and Beyond. So today we are back with an amazing drone, so which we would consider as one of the best drones in India right now, as there's been a ban on a lot of Chinese drones. So this one from South Korea is an amazing drone just for 15,990 rupees. And if you have other discounts to apply, then definitely this can go somewhere close to 14,000 rupees. So this is a 5 megapixel full HD 1080p patented 3D sensing controller drone. So as you can see, this has a drone, also there's a controller and there's a gesture control here. So also as you can see, it has the intelligence which will follow you as you do some running or exercise or working. It can follow you. It also has some intuitive control, so here you can just keep this controller with you and just control with your thumb, and it will flow as per your control. The next is a premium quality and design. So as you see, the quality is pretty awesome. It has a good camera. Again, it has real-time streaming as well, so you can connect with the FPV real-time for streaming for an immersive experience. So you can just control with your phone as well as the real-time view from the drone to your cell phone directly. And it is pretty compact, so you can take to any of your rides or hiking or anywhere you can go, and you can really take it. So available just for 15,990 rupees. So it has been delivered by Amazon, has a 10 days replacement policy, and if you really like it, just go ahead and buy it. Considering the DJI drones are so costly in India, this is the option which is there right now, which is South Korean brand, is an amazing drone. So just go ahead and buy it, and you can definitely we are sure you will be going to enjoy it for sure. Just look at the design and all. So this is really awesome. Alright, so that's a quick video. So if you like a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you get the future notifications. Thanks a lot.